Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear orders in Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open your preferred web browser and now head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. After that, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now you can see your orders section. Simply click on see all. Note, you cannot delete your order history permanently, but we can hide it. So here you can see that I haven't made any orders, and if you have, all of your orders will be displayed here. So in order to remove it or remove them, you'll only have to select the order and you'll be able to see archive option and just tap on it and the product won't be visible in this section. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.